Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to download Python latest version. So just go to any browser in your system, then search Python download and click on this first option. And after clicking the first option, this web page will show Python org official website. And if you are using Windows, then click on this download Python 3.13.2, this recent version. And if you are a Mac user, then click on this download. And here you can see Windows, Mac OS, and others platform. And I am using Windows, so I really click on this download latest version for Windows. Click on this download Python 3.13.2. Click on this, and it will start it downloading, and it's downloaded. Now what you have to do, just click on this. Sorry, click on this open file. Okay, click on this open file, and now close this tab. Okay, now click on this add python path and click on use admin privileges when installing python.exe. Okay, and after clicking both checkbox, click on this customize installation. Click on this, and these are all by default same, no need to change anything. Just click on next. Make sure these are no need to change anything. Okay, and click on next. Now here for advanced option, click on this install python 3.13 for all users. Click on this, and the location will show this kind of, no need to change anything. Then click on this install. Now a pop-up will show, click on yes. And here you can see setup was successful. Now click on this close option. And after installing python successfully, now in search bar search cmd and click on open and type python double hyphen version, hit enter, and you can see python 3.13.2 is installed. Okay, and another way, just in search bar search python, and here you can see python apps, python idle version, and python all are installed. So click on this and click on open, and it will python idle. Here you can see the interpreter. Okay, so in this way you can install python latest version in windows 11. So hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Still and bye.